Welcome to our new episode on innovative old techniques. Today's episode I'm going to share with you 3 advanced tools in Microsoft PowerPoint, including shapes, alignment and arrange. First of all, I am going to describe about shapes. To do this, go to Insert, then Shapes. Draw a shape as you want. Here you will see a lot of shape, lines, rectangles, basic shapes, block arrows, and so on. I'm selecting here rectangle. I'm drawing a rectangle here. If you want to change the color of your shapes, you just select the particular shape and go to shape fill and change the color as you want. And here you can change the outline color like this. If you want to apply some effect on your shape, go to this option and select any kind of effect. Here preset, shadow, reflection, glow. I'm choosing here reflection like this. Okay, I'm drawing another shape, rounded rectangle like this. If you want to increase the roundness of your shape, you just click this icon and increase the roundness of your shape as you want. I'm changing it color, this color, and outline color, this color. Okay, I'm drawing another shape, elliptical shape, but this is not perfectly going on. If you want to draw your shape with proper ratio, you just hold the shift key on your keyboard and draw your shape as you want, just like this. I'm changing it color, shape fill, and outline color, this color. Okay, but if you want to draw a custom shape, in this case you just go to Insert, Shapes, and select this shape, custom shape. Okay, and draw your custom shape just like this. Okay, I'm changing it color, stock color. If you want to customize your shape, to do this, select the particular shape and right click on your mouse, select this option, edit points, and click a particular point and customize your shape as you want, just like this. Like this. You can apply this for any kinds of shape, just like this. Okay, so the second part I'm going to describe about arrangement. To arrange your shape, select the particular shape and go to Home option and select this option. You can arrange your shape from this as you want. If you want to arrange your shape just for only one shape backward, you can select this option, send backward, just like this. Or if you want to arrange your shape, all of the shape backward, you have to select this option, send to back, like this. If you want to arrange your shape in the front side, all of the shapes, just select this option, bring to front, like this. After that, I'm going to describe about alignment. So to align your shape, you just select all of your individual shape holding the shift key on your keyboard, like this, and go to shape format, or you can apply this option from this option. Go to alignment, choose arrange, go to alignment, and align your shape as you want, like this. Okay, I'm arranging all of this shape left side. If you want to arrange your shape right align, select this option, or align center, like this. Also you can apply this option from this shape format, select align, and align your shape as you want, just like this, like this. Okay, like this. So thank you so much all of you guys. See you soon with my another tutorial coming soon. Till then, keep practicing and have a relax. Take care. So guys, I recommend you to subscribe my channel and to press the bell button for getting more interesting tutorials.